persistence. I refuse to be discouraged. What else can I try? You keep doing it, eventually you become the expert. In 1991, I went back to Somalia because the civil war was at its peak. My husband and I wanted to be there for Somalis. The mission was working with pastoral communities to take control of their environment, making peace through communities working with each other. What the communities are sharing is the acacia trees, the grasslands, rehabilitating it. At the same time, now, unemployed male youth, there's no jobs, charcoal burning companies are hiring with their guns. The tree is used as charcoal. The land is left bare, and that's the fastest growing desertification that I know. We are trying to create environmental rehabilitation jobs. We are succeeding. What keeps my fire alive is the progress, the environment, the landscape, positively changing. If one becomes persistent on whatever they choose to work on, you will see many people joining you. You're becoming an ambassador for that cause. In no time, you'll see positive results.